Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can transfer our money from PayPal to GCash. So for that you need to open up your GCash wallet and make sure that you link your PayPal with your GCash, and for that you just need to open up linked accounts, and there you will find the option of PayPal. Just type in your PayPal details over there and log in using your PayPal account, and you will be able to link your PayPal account. After linking your PayPal account, make sure that you convert all the currencies on your PayPal account to Filipino pesos. Only then you will be able to send that amount to your GCash. And for that, you just need to open up your PayPal balances. After that, you will find the three lines on your dollar if you have the dollar. Since I don't have it, that's why it is not appearing the three dots. Just click on these three dots right beside the dollar or any other currency that you have, maybe euro. So after that you will see the option of convert, and just click on that option of convert and convert it to Filipino pesos. Only then you will be able to see this amount in your GCash. After converting all your currencies to Filipino pesos, go to GCash, and on your GCash go to linked accounts, then go to PayPal, and there you will be able to see the amount of Filipino pesos in your PayPal account, and just simply click on next and withdraw it. And this is how you withdraw money from your PayPal to GCash. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.